Lovely viewers, welcome to another exciting video of No Further channel. Ever pondered if someone has a secret attraction towards you? The realm of attraction is often shrouded in mystery, with subtle cues that can easily slip under the radar. In this exploration, we'll delve into 10 signs that could unveil someone's concealed sentiments. Grasping these signals can offer valuable insights into the intricate world of human attraction. 1. Effortless conversations. Ever engaged in effortless conversations with new acquaintances? Attractive individuals often find others exerting extra effort to connect with them. Genuinely curious conversations about your life, effortlessly sustained, could be a sign that others are genuinely drawn to you. 2. Psychological mirroring. Have you ever noticed someone subconsciously mimicking your gestures, expressions, or posture? Known as mirroring, this phenomenon is a potent indicator of attraction. When people mirror your actions, it implies an unconscious desire to forge a deeper connection with you. 3. The look of love. Eyes are powerful communicators, especially in matters of attraction. Prolonged eye contact, coupled with quick glances away when caught, serves as a classic indicator of concealed desires. If you consistently catch someone looking your way, it could signify a hidden attraction. 4. The talent show. Encountered someone who frequently boasts about their accomplishments around you. While it might come across as arrogance, it could also be a manifestation of insecurity. People may showcase their talents to impress someone they find attractive, and that someone might be you. 5. The humor bias. Studies uncover an intriguing bias towards attractive individuals. They are often perceived as funnier than they may actually be. If people regularly laugh at your jokes, even those lacking in humor, it might be a subconscious response to your perceived attractiveness. 6. The attraction zone. Understanding personal space is a pivotal element of attraction. Envision 3 concentric circles. The outer for acquaintances, the middle for friends, and the innermost referred to as the attraction zone for close connections. If someone persistently encroaches on your personal space, it may indicate a secret and irresistible attraction. 7. People don't approach you. Contrary to popular belief, attractive individuals may experience a sense of being overlooked. Assumptions about their constant admirers might lead potential partners to hesitate. If you observe a lack of romantic approaches, it could be less about disinterest and more about the assumption that you're out of their league. 8. Sharing their status. An often overlooked sign of attraction is when people go out of their way to disclose their relationship status. Statements like, "I'm so single right now," or, "I don't think about my ex anymore," subtly indicate availability. Repeatedly sharing single status could be a sign of a concealed interest. 9. Social magnetism. Attractive individuals often emit a unique social magnetism. People not only desire closeness but also tend to mimic their actions. If you sense others being drawn to you like a magnet, imitating your movements, it strongly indicates your irresistible allure. 10. The sound of seduction. Our voices can inadvertently reveal our genuine feelings, especially when captivated by someone. Research suggests that individuals tweak their pitch, tone, or exhibit nervousness when attracted to someone. Attuning to these subtle vocal shifts might provide insights into whether someone secretly finds you more appealing than you realize. Conclusion. Deciphering the covert signals of attraction presents an exciting yet challenging endeavor. By attuning to these 10 subtle signs, you can gain a deeper understanding of whether someone harbors a secret attraction towards you. Remember, attraction is a nuanced interplay of emotions, and these signs offer a glimpse into the unspoken realm of human connection. Whether navigating the dating scene or simply intrigued by the dynamics of attraction, being mindful of these cues can provide valuable insights into the mysterious realm of human relationships. Thank you for joining us today. If you've experienced any of these signs, or if you have additional insights, share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content.